Dirk, the market looks to be stabilizing as we're starting 2024, and one local real estate broker sees that trend continuing. While the housing market has cooled since its peak 2 summers ago, there are more factors than just the sticker price when it comes to affordability, like interest rates. Today, a person looking to buy a home for $250,000 must have a higher income than a person with the same budget 3 years ago. That's because of interest rates. Those rates dipped to their lowest ever at the beginning of 2021 at just below 3%. Just back in October, those rates were near 8%. But now, Scott Pressler, an investor at Keller Williams in Fort Wayne, is seeing a promising trend.
We're into like our 6th consecutive week now of interest rates on the decline. So they were at a high at almost 8%. And now just today, we're at 6.62 as a kind of a national average. So with that being said, I think now like all these buyers that were kind of on the fence back in the fall and early winter are now like, the interest rates are coming back down.
While Pressler doesn't think home prices will decrease much this year in and around Fort Wayne, he expects the market to continue to stabilize.
Although, we're not going to see decrease in values, we're also not going to see this like multiple offer thing and the driving up of prices. So I think just a little bit of an equilibrium in the market, which is really what the government's been wanting to do.
Since 2020, homes nationwide have been increasing in value by an average of 15 to 20% a year. Pressler says not anymore.
They're going to slow that appreciation level that's going to be more sustainable really for both buyers and sellers.
In 2023, Realtor.com named Fort Wayne as the #2 emerging housing market in the country.
We have such a vibrant community, and it all starts with having a good epicenter where people can go and go out to eat and have entertainment and different things that they can do. And so now you have a destination point downtown, and that's driving people to want to be here.
Even as the #2 emerging market, Fort Wayne also remains one of the most affordable markets in the country.
With the interest rates, down, I think it's a great time for a buyer. And, with the competition levels being low now, I would say get out there and start looking.
Pressler adds that inventory is rather low right now, so not only is 2024 a good time to buy, but if you're thinking about selling, you might want to take that leap. Marcus Truccio, Wayne 15 News.